Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to create multiple files on the Windows desktop. So without further ado, let's start. So I'm going to create a path to my Windows desktop to assign that to C://users. Okay people, this is the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path, because if you simply type this in, it will throw an error. Then we're going to use chdir, which is change directory to this path up here. So now we're changing into this path. Now we create the subroutine called multiple files. That's the subroutine there. And we're going to print out a message to the user so the user knows what's going on. Creating multiple files. Okay, then we're going to use the sleep function and pause the program for 1 second. So we're going to pause it for 1 second. And now we're going to do for my scalar I 1 to 5. So we're going to create 5 files here. And we're going to create the file by using open scalar file, and we use this here to create the directory, to create the file, sorry. Scalar file name. Okay. Then we're going to say or die. So if there's an error, it will throw an error message. Error creating file, something like that, something just general. Okay, then we're going to print scalar file, and we're going to create a number on the file, so it could be like txt1, txt2, etc. So this is going to be number scalar I, and then a new line here. And then after that, we're going to close the file. Okay, and then we're going to print the file name created. Okay, now all we have to do is type in multiple files. And we can call the program using that. So let's just save it. Let's just run it. Okay, we've got an error here.